Well, my friends, it's starting to come together. The interior here, we're getting it all, the roofs or the ceilings on. Go where the light was, that's back on. It's looking good. And let's come back here. Let's mess with all the stuff that we have here, supplies and whatnot. Got that back in. Get the couch going on that. This is secure. Getting excited here. Again, we got to get that little step up fixed on there, and I haven't got the caps any further on. It's just been too cold and rainy. Luckily, we got this motorhome cover. So, but it's where I'm seeing progress, and it's feeling good because I'm starting to get worn out there. Okay.